Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about smoking token. First of all, it's a keep earning and keep burning project, and they recently changed their tokenomics as well. First, before its total supply was 100 million, and now it was changed. It is changed to 1 billion, and and you can check it out there. Other details of the tokenomics as well. Do you like to get stoned, blazed, baked, ripped? Yeah, do you? But dank and bills are not cheap. Our community is working together to make sure that you get stoned. We support the legalization and the use of marijuana and the CBD products to benefit your health and recreation. We are here to provide you the method in which you can earn anything from passive income to huge gains, all at the click of a button. With our 11% BNB rewards distribution to holders paid every hour, we make sure you are earning while you keep burning. So basically, it's just providing you a passive income to the huge gains by just holding their tokens, which is SOMO as well. So so after that, you could buy their tokens with this black site. If you go through this button, you will see that this swap is gonna be launched very soon, and after that, you could able to see the price and we could able to swap it with any other coins. And and another thing, it is a BEP20 based project, so the fees is gonna be very low as compared to the Ethereum and the other as compared to the Ethereum platform. So about us, our goal is of smoking token is to bring awareness to the benefits of the CBD and the cannabis. This token supports the legal use of CBD and cannabis and does not promote or condone illegal use of subscribers. If you look back 20 years ago, the legalization and the medical use of cannabis was just a fantasy. That all changed in 1996 when the state of California became the first state to legalize the medical use of cannabis. We see California as a pioneer in something bigger, and in 2012, the state of Washington and the Colorado became the first two states to legalize the recreational use of cannabis. As our society evolved and more research has been done, it has over time become adopted as an acceptable form of treatment for several conditions. Here are smoking token, and we are designing to be a support system and a helper to support other members of the community. The benefit the benefits of cannabis and CBD when used correctly have shown to improve pain, nausea, eases pain associated with migraines, reduces anxiety, erases depression, decreases seizures. CBD has anti-inflammatory properties, helps with insomnia and sleep deprivation. Team members will be a Telegram daily to answer any question. We will also be doing regular AMA meetings. So after that, there are a lot more in the tokenomics, such as receive BNB rewards straight to your wallet every hour using auto distribution technology. Another thing is whale tax of 3% selling fee plus anti-dip measures, no sell above 0.5% of total supply, lock liquidity pool. Every holders of 100 SOMO earns 100% BNB in return. Return to liquidity pool on each transaction. Those that um, support us are our driving force, and we are leading the way. Community driven team lead. And here's the roadmap of this project, and it's of 4 phases, and you can check it out if you wish. And after that, you could go through. You will see that they this project supports and includes 6 team members. the big Khana, editor in charge, internet genius, brains, graphic codes, mad designer. Want to join us for a smoke sesh? And here you could give them an email and connect with their websites or the social medias. And and after that, if you go through this, you have I have already told you there's more. Their their long this app is gonna be launched very soon, and after that, this 420 gallery. Here you could see their NFTs, earning and burning. Smoking Token's very own Nuts is in his first minted NFT, number one and one of one. It doesn't get much better than this. Woodstock felt cute, might delete later lol. Seeing stars. You who can feel my arms. High among the stars. Unda da sea into the wormhole. Return from the wormhole. Lol. And after that, if you go through a more section, you will see that they also have some outfits such as their stickers, socks, hoodies, t-shirts, and caps. And their price is quite reasonable, and you could go through this if you wish to buy their clothes. And its already it is completed by the Desert Finance, so you could also already trust on this project as well. So they are and at the end of this project or the website, you will able to see that there are different social medias where you could connect with their admins. If you if you do have any other questions related to this project, you can go through this, or even contact me with the comment section. You just need to write me a comment or ask me something if you wish, and I will always ready to reply to you. And yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe for the upcoming videos.